in this little video, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to set the robot up to start plasma cutting your hole. So we're gonna assume that the hole has already been marked, and we're gonna go from there. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our template. This is just a piece of paper here for you guys. It should be like a rubberized mat that's marked of some sort. We're gonna line it up best we can, and then punch some holes, or punch some little marks in. And these need to be as accurate as you can get them. It's very important. Otherwise, the cut quality is definitely going to suffer. Alright, so put our template and punch away. Now we're going to move the robot. So again, make sure that our e-stop is on. Very important. And then we'll just go ahead and mount the robot up there. We'll just kind of get it in the general area. Then we'll just turn on our magnets, and we'll release the e-stop. And once, see our screen here. Yeah, so you'll see this little robot icon here is red. Once it turns green, the robot will be able to move. You'll hear the robot click. Go ahead and put on our teach tip. So here's our teach tip. I'll just put it on. Now we got to make sure it's fully seated. So it's good to give it a little bit of a twist. You'll kind of feel it pop on there, and then you'll know it's on. So that's what it should look like. Now our robot is booted up. So let's hit play, and we're gonna let it go to the first reference point. So we'll hit play, and then we'll watch the robot move. Now once it gets to that reference point, we'll hit that pause button. And now what we'll do is we'll come over here, and we're gonna line up our teach tip with this point that we've marked here. You can you can see it on the camera right there. So we need to come back a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna do this with 2 hands. It's too difficult with 1 hand. Point. So that was our middle point. Now what we'll do is we'll hit resume and let it go to the next point. And okay, so stop to hit pause. And we'll see that it is lined up with our second point. Far point. So we'll hit the resume button, and the robot's gonna move. As soon as it goes down, we'll hit pause. And can't see it very good in the camera probably, but we are lined up. So at this point, what we can do is we can hit resume. The robot's gonna move up and it's gonna pause. Then I pressed the pause button. I'm gonna remove this, our teach step, put it in the storage area, and then we are ready to plasma cut. So I'm gonna flip this on, and then we're gonna go. Alrighty, so it would have helped if I would have turned the plasma cutter on. So now these should be ready. There we go.